let's say you want to display a personalized greeting message on the PowerApps screen who is currently logging into your PowerApps screen like this. Here I am logging, so here it is displaying the dynamic message that good afternoon Krupali, give your valuable feedback. So how you can display that using PowerApp? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. I welcome you all to PowerApp tutorial. Before going ahead in this video, let me tell you what you will learn from this video. First, you will learn how to use now and our PowerFX function in PowerApp. Second, you will learn how you can use left function to extract the username from the user function. And last but not the least, that is third thing, you will learn how you can display that personalized message using all about this 3 PowerFX function. So without delay, let's get started. Now let me tell you how you can use now and our function in PowerApp. Let me show you the practical demonstration. So for that, I am taking one text box, not text box but label control. Now basically, now function will return current date and time. So in text property, I am just writing now. And here, if I just expand it, here you can see that current date is displaying and current time with the hour and second. Sorry, hour and minute it is displaying. Now what I want to display, or I want to extract our information. So for that, our function is useful. So from the current date and time, I want to extract the current hour. So what you can do, you need to write that now in bracket, and inside a bracket, or not outside the bracket, you should write hour. So basically you should write R, and inside a bracket you should write now and complete the bracket. So here you can see that the current R is extracting from the current date and time. So this way you can use R and now function in PowerApp. Now let me tell you the second thing, how you can use left PowerFX formula in PowerApp. So let me just take another control, that is here. Let me just put this aside little bit, and here I am taking one another label control, and here I want to display my full name first of all. So what I will write here, I will write user and then complete the bracket, and then I will write full name. So here you can see my full name is displayed, but I want to extract only first name. So first name I can extract using left function. You can extract your surname also, but that you can do using right function. Okay, so let me just write it here. So first what you need to write? First you need to write the function left. Why? Because I want to extract the information from the left hand side. That's why. Then inside a left hand side, left hand side, but inside a left function, what you want to extract? So from the user dot full name, from that I want to extract. Now how many characters you want to extract? Now let's say if I write here 4, then you will see it will display my first name 4 letter. But you know, every person has a different name, and the length of the name is different. So this is not useful. So what you can do, we need to find a way that will read data from the left until some character. So let's say until it will read until the space is encountered, and then it will display. Now let's say if someone name is George, then it will read only the George message. Why? Because a surname is not there. If someone username is, we can say that Rinse Patel, then in that case it will extract only Rinse information. So how you should write like that? So for that you need to write first left function, then inside left function you should write the text which you want to display. So user and then dot full name. But here I don't want to display the entire name, but I want to read from the left hand side until space is found. So here for that find function is useful, which will find the particular character from the given string. So here my given string is full name. So what I want to find? I want to find space. Then from where I want to find user from full name. Then here I need to complete the bracket. Then here you will see the Krupali name is display. And if you write -1, still it will display. Why? Because if you write without -1, then it will include space. But if you write -1, then it will read until I. Space will not include. Okay, so this way you can use left and find function to extract the user first name from the full name. Okay, so here you can display like that. Now the third thing, how you can display this personalized greeting message in Power App screen. So for that, let me take another control, that is text control. Here in that text control or in this label control, I will display the entire message. Okay, that is a combination of the now, left and find function and everything. Okay, so you can display anywhere. So here what I will write, first of all, I will decide whether I need to display good afternoon, good morning or good evening. So in text property, what I will write, first I will write if, then first I will extract the R. Okay, so here if R, then I want to display, not display, I want to first extract the R. Then if it is greater than or equal to 6, then or R is less than 12 or less than or equal to 12. Okay, and now is less than or equal to 12. Then what I want to display? I want to display then good morning. So here, now see, good morning, I want to display a, let's say like that. But before the good morning, I want to put the emoji. So what you can do from your keyboard, just space command and space bar. Sorry, not command and space bar. Just let me close that. I'm using Mac operating system or Mac machine. So here I am telling the shortcut way. So here you need to press the command, then control and space bar from your keyboard, then you will see the different emoji. So I want to display the sunrise emoji. So here, it will display like that, good morning. And if it is not like that, just for purpose, I want to display good afternoon. So here also I want to display sun. So you can write sun and then you can write like that. And then good afternoon. And let me just save and show you. So here you can see that good afternoon message is displaying. Why? Because current time is 2:21 p.m. So if I log in the morning, then it will display the morning time. Then let's say if you want to create a personalized message for good evening also. So here you need to write second condition. So what you should write here, after the comma, you should write the second condition. So second condition, that is if the R is greater than 12 and less than 7, you can write like that. So let me copy that message, and here I am writing condition for the good afternoon. Here this is a good morning. So if R is greater than 12 and less than, let's say, 4 p.m. So 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So till 16 it will display good afternoon, and otherwise we will display good evening. Okay, then, and here again I am adding a small emoji, or you can say moon. Okay, so this type of message we will display, and after the good morning, good afternoon, I want to put space. So here let me save it and show you. So here you can see that good afternoon is displaying. Now after that I want to display my name. So whatever logic I have written, I will copy that logic and paste it, or you can say concat it. So here let me go there and expand that and let me concatenate. So I will write end, one end, and then I will paste that. So here it will display the message that good morning, good afternoon Krupali. Then let's say some static text also you want. So here once again I will write this concatenate sign and in double quotation, give your feedback. And here I want to put space after that and save it, and let me just run it. So here you can see that good afternoon Propali, give your feedback messages coming. So, this way you can display a personalized greeting message in your Power Apps screen. I hope you understand. So, before ending this video, let me tell you what you have learned from this video. So, first you have learned how to use now and our PowerFX function in Power App. Second thing, you learn how you can use left PowerFX function to extract the first name from the full name. And last but not the least, you have learned how to display dynamically greeting message on your Power App screen. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.